Hello friends, I am Sangeeta. This is my new blog. Today I am going to start marble cake. So for this I need 2 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour, and ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ ତ ଆଜି ମାର୍ବଲ କେକ୍ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ 2 କପ୍ ମଇଦା ଦରକାର. So we need to stain the maida, then we add 1 cup of sugar. So now I stained the 2 cup of maida. Now I am going to stain the powdered sugar. चीनी गोटे कप नहीं कि सेटा को पाउडर कर दीजिए, चीनी को भी छानिए. Now I am going to stain this sugar too. So now I am done with sugar staining. चीनी छाणी सारी. एबे मु पकेबी बेकिंग सोडा, baking powder or banana essence. So now I need to put 1 spoon of baking powder, then 1 spoon of baking soda. You can put little bit more, and then put the essence according to your taste. I need to put 1 or 2 drop. Now mix all the ingredients. Then I need to put 1 cup of milk, that is raw milk. एबे आमे ऐड करिबा गोटे कप क्षीर. गोटे कप क्षीर नबा. And I need to mix 3/4 of oil, or else you can add butter also. I am putting oil. Oil add करिबो 3/4 cup add करिबो. Now mix the oil. oil तेल add करो, नहले तुम हिसाब रे बटर भी add करि परिबो. तापरे क्षीर ऐड कर, थिकनेस देखिकी क्षीर ऐड कर. मु अधा रखली क्षीर. मिक्स करला परे देखि चाहिए क्षीर ऐड करी करी जीवा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द थिकनेस वी नीड टू ऐड मिल्क. सब मुझे मिक्स कर देली. थिकनेस देखुछंदी एतिकी थिकनेस रहबा दरकार. काइना हमें मार्बल केक बनेबा सेतमे थिकनेस टिके अधिका रहबा दरकार, नहले से सेट होनी. सो दिस इज द थिकनेस फॉर द मार्बल केक. नाउ आई नीड टू मेक one more dough for the chocolate. So I have chocolate spread. I need to melt and I need to make the chocolate this batter. So now my chocolate syrup is ready. I need to mix some of the batter into this chocolate syrup and make this one into dark color. This is dark chocolate. So I need to mix some of the batter in this. So I mix some of the batter into this chocolate syrup, and now look at the thickness. This is same for the marble cake. This should be the thickness of the marble cake, and this one is also the same thickness. Now we need to set the pan. एबे हमें pan को grease करिबा. So we need to take few drops of oil, then grease this oil all over the pan through the finger or else through the brush you can do it. तेल को भल से ग्रीस करिबो pan रे. कला परे एथिरे किछि मैदा स्प्रिंकल करिबो. Then sprinkle the all purpose flour. Then while the cake is baked, it won't stick, it will come so nicely. To start, you need to sprinkle the maida like this. मैदा को एमती स्प्रेड करेंगे पैन रे तेल लगे सारा पर तापरे जति कि एक्स्ट्रा मैदा थी एमती टिके जोर से डू थर्ड लाइक दिस देन इट विल कम द एक्स्ट्रा मैदा विल कम आउट सो दिस इज लाइक द स्प्रेड यू नीड टू डू नाउ you need to put this normal dough like this. Then put this chocolate dough in the middle. Then wait for some time, it will set. Then we need to next put this white batter again like this in the middle. Then next is again chocolate. So now I am done with the layer of the marble cake by putting one layer of this normal batter, then chocolate batter, then normal, then chocolate, then normal, then chocolate. Now so I made so many circle of this all this, and now I am going to slide all the layers into make like a flower. Okay, let's look at this. So start from this and keep it in the middle, samely like this, like this, like this. Then in the middle part do like this. So now it's looking like a beautiful flower. How is it? I love this one. Preheat start हले ये automatic sound हला परे केक भितरे रखिबा. Now I set the oven to preheat in the degree 335 Celsius. Once it preheat, it will make me a sound, beep sound. Then now I need to put the cake batter inside the oven. We are done with the cake baking. Start timer daba. Let it be for 36 minutes. Once it is into 30 minutes, I will check the cake. So हम cake देखिबा that 30 minutes पर आधा घंटा पर cake बसिची देखा जाओ केमती होची. So now my cake is getting popping off, starting popping up. So first of the outer layer is popped out. Now let's see. गोटे लेयर एड्स रू लेयर ऊपर को उठलानी एमती ही टिके टिके ऊपर को उठियो देखा जाओ केमती देखा जाउची. Wow, now the cake is popping up so nicely. Let's see. Now my cake is ready. For the ingredients go through my description. Guys support करो ओडिया ब्लॉगर को. Thank you ओडिया सांग माने. Thank you so much.